Coca-Cola has recently launched their new Holidays Are Coming commercial, and just like last year, it was entirely AI generated. And just like last year, people hate it, calling it soulless, cheap, dystopian, and so on. And you can't really blame them. Coming from a multi-billion-dollar company, choosing to replace real artists and professionals with AI just to save some money is a bit of a dick move, and that's where most of the hate is coming from. According to Gemini, the original 1995 ad required renting 3 real 40-foot semi-trucks, covering them in 30,000 individual light bulbs, and filming them on location with a massive crew. The production budget for such a commercial would be somewhere between $1 and $3+ million, with a crew of hundreds of actors and professionals, props, and so on. But despite the new commercial being made entirely with AI, the production cost was still estimated to be between $200,000 and $500,000. It took a team of 5 people, 30 days, and about 70,000 AI-generated videos and images to make a 1-minute commercial using the latest top-of-the-line AI models like Sora 2, Veo 3, Runway, Kling, and others. All of this just to make some AI slop Coca-Cola ad. And that's why I decided it would be fun to recreate a classic Christmas Coca-Cola ad in a single day using only free AI tools. So first of all, I started by describing to ChatGPT what I want to do and asked it to write me prompts for each individual scene alongside with a video prompt to describe the action in each scene. I asked it to come up with an image prompt and a corresponding video prompt, and all of these should incorporate some of these aspects such as a snowy dark night, bright lights, red trucks, crowds of excited people, families, couples, animals, Santa Claus, and so on. And all of these clips should be high quality, hyper realistic, and cinematic because we want the ad to look as real as possible. So let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. So these are the prompts for 12 different scenes. Next up, we're gonna copy all of them and generate the relevant images. Next up, I wanted to use Nano Banana Pro to generate each image, but unfortunately this is not a free model, so instead I'm gonna use Dreamina, Reeve, and the original Nano Banana because these are still some very solid free AI image generators. So let's start by copying our first prompt. We're gonna paste it in here. Make sure that the latest model is selected for best quality. The aspect ratio should be a 16:9 and we're gonna use the 2K resolution. So let's hit generate. So here are our first images. They are not really that hyper realistic, but at least they look cinematic, so I'm happy with the results. Let's go ahead and copy the second prompt. Here's our second batch of images. They're looking pretty good, but we are facing the back of the truck. But that's not really a big problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate all the other scenes and we're gonna see how well they fit together. Alright, here's the results. Some of these images look really good, some of them don't look good whatsoever, so I also use the free version of Nano Banana and Reeve.art to supplement with some images because both of these models are powerful and also very much free. Next up, I'm gonna select the best images and start generating videos with them. So these are the images I ended up selecting. As you can see, they have the Dreamina AI watermark, and the images generated using Nano Banana have the Gemini watermarks. So next up, I'm going to remove the watermark using a free online service. So to remove the watermarks, I'm using this website called watermarkremover.io, and as you can see, we have already removed the watermark from this picture. So over here you can see a before and after. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is click on upload, select the image with a watermark that you want, and make sure that you are using this website in incognito mode, otherwise you're going to be limited to only 2 images per day. In order to fix this, all you have to do is go ahead and open another incognito window, paste the link, and you can go back to using the website for free. And there you go, as you can see, it completely removed the watermark. So now that we have removed the watermarks from all of the images, we can go ahead and animate our images. And we're gonna do that using Grok. If you don't know, Grok has recently released their new video model, and these videos look absolutely awesome. And the best part is that you can use this service completely free, at least for now. So let's go ahead and upload our images. So this was the first image that ChatGPT has prompted for us. So we're gonna go back and copy the video prompt, paste it over here. And as you can see, Grok has already animated our image even without a prompt. But we're gonna ignore that for now and just wait for it to generate our prompted video. So here's the result. It looks decent, I guess. And the nice part about Grok is that you can also upscale the video for free. So now we got a high resolution version of our video. All we have to do is go ahead and download it. Next up, let's go ahead and upload the rest of the images. And once again, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the second video prompt, paste it over here and let Grok animate our image for us. And here's the result. As you can see, in the beginning the truck is going away from the camera, but after that a bunch of these trucks spawn, so I think I'm gonna cut up until here and just leave the rest of the video to make it look like there's only trucks coming our way. Let's go ahead and upscale this video as well. Alright, looks pretty good. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of the images and prompts. Okay, I'm done generating all of the videos. The last thing we need to generate is a tune. And for that we're gonna use Suno AI. I'm gonna use a simple instrumental tune, and for a description I gave it a happy Christmas jingle, instrumental and cinematic. It generated 4 different songs, but out of all of them I believe this one sounds the best or fits the atmosphere the best. And the last thing we need to do is stitch all of these videos together. So as you can see, I imported all of the videos and the tune in CapCut. Okay, I added all of the videos. We have a little bit over a minute, so now I'm gonna trim and rearrange the videos to sort of create a narrative. Alright, I rearranged and trimmed the clips. I did some audio mixing down here and also added some filters for the colors. And now let's check out this masterpiece. That turned out okay-ish, I guess. Alright, I know it looks pretty terrible, but the whole point of this video is just to show you that with free AI tools you can kinda get the same level of production quality as these companies spending thousands of dollars on AI commercials. Right now, AI, at least in my opinion, is not ready for high-end production, but for better or worse, we are heading that way. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. Do you like the idea of cinematic AI commercials and movies, or do you think it's just cheap AI slop doing more harm than good? Let me know in the comments and see you in the next one. Until then, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks for watching.